I took my position, ARENA was a recognized agency concerning the knowledge product. So ARENA has been able to make the case for renewables through their reports on costs, on jobs, on capacity, making clear that renewables were going to be the most economical way to produce power in our time. My goal here, what I want to achieve with the agency is to try to use the unique knowledge capacity to support country in all aspects of their planning, so that we can transfer the knowledge to the planning and try to link the planning to the project and the monitoring of the result. So having the agency moving from one angle of tackling the energy transition topics to 360 degree. So from knowledge, planning, project, implementation, monitoring, and again. So in circle, so make really a 360 degree agency. The innovation technologies is a very important aspect, naturally, in our work. So we make clear in our outlook, the most recent, the World Energy Transition Outlook 2022, that there are two main drivers in this energy transition, that are the electrification of the energy system and the energy efficiency, so reducing the demand in some way. And the technologies that are enabling this transition are renewables. So the new system will be dominated by renewables and complemented by hydrogen, mainly green hydrogen and sustainable biomass. So what I can say that the innovation is how to make these technologies work more effectively. But we have now the technology we need to achieve the Paris Agreement goal and reach also our intermediate step in 2030, as we say very clearly in our World Energy Transition Outlook, the last one. The Abu Dhabi Sustainable Week is a very key moment in the year of sustainability. In some way, it's coming in the middle of the road between the two high-level segments in New York, where we talk about sustainable development. So it's taking stock on what has been done in the previous year, as preparing the work for the next year. So the way is organizing with all the leaders coming to discuss in many ways the themes of sustainable development in a country that is making history in moving the energy transition to a clean energy system. I think it's a very important step that is giving real impetus in the way we are looking forward next July, high-level segment, and in general, moving to sustainable world. UAE supporting climate action by action. First of all, we can say, that is in this country we have the 70% of renewables in all the Gulf region. So as a matter of fact, that the UAE is leading this process where the attention is not just to unplug the old system, but building the new one. So the biggest renewable plants, solar plants are here. The experiment pilot study on green hydrogen, they are here. They already started to export ammonia to the east part of the world. So they are leading by example. And naturally, this next 2 years will be crucial in some way to show this leadership. We are looking for the COP28. The COP27 in Egypt will be a very important one, and I think the countries are always working together. But will be the Egyptian one, will be the African COP, and the COP28, I'm sure, will be the COP that will make the West talking with the East, the North talking the South. So I'm really proud that we are starting to collaborate strongly with the UAE. I think it will be very important 2 years to show the leadership that is here. You know, when in the hospital, when your son or daughter come to life, you have to sign a book with that oath of the day. And the day my daughter was born, I written that she is a father voice for a more equitable world. So what I wish to get at the end is that to having a world that is more equal or less unequal as today. So more equity, more fairness in the world.